Hi YouTube, I'm Jonah, and today I'll be doing my rainwater downspout from ABS pipe. So this is the rain downspout at the side of my house. As we follow it along, we see where it stops. I have one flex elbow right here, and a second flex elbow right here where it stops. And the rain would fall down and hit my splash block and spread the water onto the grass and eventually seep under my pool walkway cement, therefore settling its foundation and cracking the cement walkway. And just to let you know, if you're new to this channel and you find it interesting, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. So here's the crack right here. And of course, there's a crack on the opposite side. Therefore, guess what? This may be my next DIY project, fixing the crack on my pool cement walkway. Now let's go shopping at our local hardware store. Now you're probably asking and saying, Jonah, why don't you use the aluminum or plastic downspout? That's a good question, but that area I'm working with gets a lot of traffic. Well, aluminum will dent too much and plastic may crack when hit with my lawnmower. So in my opinion, ABS is the strongest and the best for this job. So what I'm going to do today is extend my downspout right here, bring it down, and right across through here and into the tree, and also at the back, and follow the fence line and stop right about here. And therefore the rain would follow my perimeter fence line and water will no longer get close to my pool walkway. So I'm only using 2-inch ABS. But I would suggest you use 3-inch ABS if you have a lot of rainfall in your area. And my first vertical measurement is 47.5 inches. Also making room for the elbow. And I'll take the ground measurement horizontally past the tree line. And making room for the elbow, looks like about 59 inches. Now time to cut our ABS pipe. And I'll be using the yellow ABS cement. The cement dries very quickly, so we have to work fast. First thing I do is I do a little dry fit with my elbow and the pipe. Notice I draw a blue line just to see how far I can put my cement. Just going to give a quick clean to the surface area before I cement it. I always have a hard time opening this, so you have to use your trusty pliers. Now I'll place it back and measure a small extension to connect with a second elbow. Looks like about 5 inches. Now I'll cement it and insert it into the elbow. Now I'll put it back in place again and check to see how close I am from the elbow to the downspout. Looks pretty good to me. Notice that seam right here on the elbow. So to keep it straight, that seam must line up to the other elbow seam. So I'll draw a rough line. Now I cement the second elbow. Whoa, did you see that? Almost made a big mistake. My elbow was upside down. I better make it right side up. Now that's better. Now put it back again. Take a look how close I am. Looks pretty good. Notice if you hear that bird chirping in the background, that's the mother giving me a warning. There's a nest behind me atop of the tree, and she's not happy at all. I'm too close to her eggs. Then I do another dry fit with a coupling. Well, looking good so far. Then I do another dry fit at the bottom with another elbow. And then I cement it. Then I lay down my horizontal pipe and do another dry fit. And this one is 59 inches long. Now I cement another elbow at my bottom horizontal pipe. Oops, butterfingers. And I'll be using this steel strapping, which I've already cut out and shaped it to our ABS pipe. And give it a quick paint job to prevent rust. Now it's time to strap it down. Here's my horizontal 59-inch pipe. Again, I mark off the top of the pipe and also the top seam of the elbow. And now I cement them together. And taking my last measurement for the last piece. Which will be 36 inches. And we've finally cemented to the elbow joint. And we're finally done. Now let's take a look at what we have. So in the next couple weeks, I'll be laying down a cement walkway right here. So keep an eye on my next DIY. And if you liked this video and found it interesting, give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you always get my latest video. Thanks for watching.